In terms of graphical capability, the Galaxy S24 Ultra might outperform the iPhone 15 Pro. That's because one rumor suggests a GPU within the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU that might be up to 50% quicker. Satellite connection was a reported Galaxy S23 feature that never made it into this year's phones. Samlove anticipates that will change with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which will enable that phone to mirror an iPhone 14 feature that allows individuals to send emergency texts even while they are offline. It's unclear if this would be a feature exclusive to the Ultra or whether Samsung would follow Apple's example and make satellite connection available on all of its flagship devices. Another Galaxy S24 Ultra rumor suggests that the RAM may be upgraded. Tauran Vats, a Twitter leaker, believes that the Galaxy S24 Ultra might have up to 16 GB of RAM, a significant upgrade over the S23 Ultra's 8 GB per 12 GB choices. Meanwhile, some reports claim that all Galaxy S24 variants will come standard with 256 GB of storage. This isn't an upgrade for the S24 Ultra since the S23 Ultra already has a 256 GB default capacity, but it's nice to know we won't be moving backwards next year. Given how scant the Galaxy S24 Ultra rumors are at this moment, there is a lot of leeway for us to fill in the gaps with features we want to see. After all, even with a phone as competent as the Galaxy S23 Ultra, there are still certain areas where Samsung might improve. With the debut of the Galaxy S21 Ultra, Samsung introduced S Pen functionality, and by the time the S22 Ultra came, the company had found out how to include stylus storage into the phone's design. However, S Pen enhancements with the Galaxy S23 Ultra were non-existent as Samsung concentrated on other areas. We hope that the Galaxy S24 Ultra gives the S Pen more attention by offering support for additional functionalities. These might feature new S Pen Air actions or remote control of extra Galaxy S23 Ultra functionalities. The Galaxy S23 Ultra remains locked at 45W charging even though other Android phones, most notably the OnePlus 11, allow you to charge your phone far quicker. We'd want to see charging speeds that are more in line with a phone with the designation Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.